New report. Transportation experts warn of global warming. Washington, expect flooded roads and runways, twisted railroad tracks, and weakened bridges brought on by rising sea levels and much more intense storms tied to global warming. Leading U.S. experts warned in a new report released Tuesday. Climate change will affect every type of transportation. The experts convened by the National Research Council has said, time has come for transportation professionals to acknowledge and confront the challenges posed by climate change and to incorporate the most current scientific knowledge into the planning of transportation systems. Rapidly rising temperatures may trigger weather extremes and surprises, such as more rapid melting of the Arctic sea ice than has been projected. And the highways that currently serve as evacuation routes and endure periodic flooding could be compromised with ever stronger hurricanes and more intense precipitation, making some of these escape routes impassable. Much of the damage will very likely be in the coastal areas, but the impact will affect all areas of the country and all areas of the planet Earth. It's now time to move from the debate about climate science to what are we going to do about it, and how are we going to adapt to it, and how costly will it be? Yes, it's going to cost a lot of money. Five areas of concern. The experts have cited 5 major areas of growing threat. More heat waves requiring load limits at hot weather or high altitude airports and causing thermal expansion of bridge joints and rail track deformities, which could lead to more accidents. Rapidly rising sea levels and storm surges flooding coastal roadways, forcing evacuations, flooding airports and rail lines, flooding tunnels and eroding bridge bases. More rainstorms delaying air and ground traffic, flooding tunnels and railways and eroding road, bridge and pipeline supports. More stronger and frequent, very strong hurricanes, disrupting air and shipping service, blowing debris onto roads and damaging scores and scores of buildings. Rising Arctic temperatures thawing permafrost, which can release methane, contributing even further to global warming. And also resulting in road, railway, and airport runway subsidence and potential pipeline failures. The nation's transportation system was built for local conditions based on historical weather data, but that data may no longer be reliable in the face of new weather extremes, the experts are now warning. Climate changes may require permanent alterations in some areas, the experts have said, citing roads, rail lines, and airport runways in low-lying coastal areas that might need to be relocated or have seawalls built around them. Regional examples. The report notes, for example, that much drier conditions are likely in the watersheds supplying the St. Lawrence Seaway and the Great Lakes, The resulting lower water levels would reduce vessel shipping capacity. Meanwhile, more California heat waves are very likely to increase wildfires that can destroy transportation infrastructure, among many other things. Yes, global warming, climate change is very real. It's going to take a lot of work, money, yes, and energy to deal with them, because they are going to get worse. This is very real.